In this video, we'll be looking at Math ACT Standard N402, write positive powers of 10 by using exponents. In this standard, it's in the score range of 20 to 23. The average ACT is about 19.2. So these questions are actually for students that are technically above average, and I want you to keep that in mind. In the first question, a small computer chip can hold 1 million bytes of data. How can this number be expressed by using an exponent? A 10 to the third, B 10 to the fourth, C 10 to the fifth, D 10 to the sixth, or E 10 to the seventh. So we're looking to convert this 1 million to a power of 10. You can just straight up plug all of these into a calculator, but it's also good to understand this, especially as you move into scientific notation. So all you have to do is you just have to count the amount of zeros that they are. 3, 4, 5, 6. And whatever that number is how you can express 10 to the 6, or however you can express 1 million bytes of data, and that answer is 10 to the 6. You might be thinking, oh well, this went all the way to 1. Well, be aware that 10 to the first isn't 1, but it's just 10, and then 10 squared is 100, where there's 2 zeros. 10 to the third is 1000. So just keep that in mind. If you don't believe me, just pull out a calculator and you can see for yourself. For the next question, a scientist writes the number 10 million in scientific notation. Which of the following is an equivalent to that number? Very similar thing. You're just counting the amount of zeros to figure out what is the expressed number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're left with 10 to the 7th as our answer. Now, I didn't read the multiple choice questions, but I'm sure you can read. We're left with D right there as our answer. And on to our last problem. There are plenty of videos I have on my channel that deal with all kinds of ACT standards. This isn't the only one. Make sure you're prepared for the ACT. Check out some of my videos. The average distance from the Earth to the Sun is about 100 million miles. Which of the following correctly expresses this number? So all we have to do, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 total zeros in this problem here. You can go through and you can type all this in your calculator and count it out yourself, but we're left with 10 to the 8th as our answer, which is C. Thanks for listening.